Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet coming back to you with another wonderful weight loss video today. Now, this is a simple, easy weight loss video that you conjure up overnight. You blend it the next day, and you have a powerful weight loss aid. Okay, this is going to aid you in weight loss. Now, the ingredients we're going to be using today is just 3 simple ingredients, y'all. We're going to be using some raisins, and we're going to be using some saffron. Okay, saffron is an awesome aid in weight loss. It's going to curb your appetite. It's going to reduce your cravings. It also increases your brain levels of serotonin, and in return it's going to help prevent compulsive overeating, which results in weight gain. So this is why we're here trying to lose weight. This is a powerful antioxidant. It's going to improve your mood and treat depressive symptoms. It has cancer fighting properties. It also reduces PMS symptoms, y'all. Be careful with saffron because saffron also acts as an aphrodisiac. It's going to reduce your appetite, aids in weight loss, reduce heart disease risk factors. It's going to lower your blood sugar levels, improve eyesight in adults with eye-related macular degenerations, and it improves the memory in adults with Alzheimer's disease. So saffron really does a whole lot for your body, okay? We're also going to be using our water. Now we're going to be using about 1.5 cups of water. The raisins are a natural sugar and is great in curbing your sweet cravings without overloading on those extra calories. But with raisins, we have to eat these in moderation because what we don't want to do is go overboard eating them, all right? They help in controlling our blood sugar levels and beat our cravings in helping to support us in our weight loss goals. So this is why we're using these ingredients today. Now what we're going to be doing, we're going to start off with an empty glass. Then you're going to take about 20, I would say 10 to 20 raisins and put them in your glass. Okay. Next we're going to take our saffron. Now the best types of saffron to get is the stringy saffron, not the powdered one. Alright, now you got to just gently be careful, and we're going to be using about, I would say about 5 to 7 strands of our saffron. So you just got to gently pick them up. Okay. Now that's about 7 strands, and that's all you need. Think about it. That's all you need. You do not want to overdo it on the saffron because saffron is a very powerful herb. So be very careful when you're using this. Next, we're going to be using our warm water, and we're just going to put that over our 2 ingredients. Okay? And then you're going to place something on top of it just to cover it, and we're going to leave it like this overnight. We're going to steep these 2 ingredients together, leave it on the counter overnight, and by tomorrow we will finish this video. Alright you guys, so we are back and it's the next day. Well, let me show you exactly how to complete this wonderful drink. Now you're going to need a blender, okay? So just know the night before you're going to make this, 10 to 20 raisins in a cup. Doesn't matter how much water. You can put at least 1 to 2 cups of water in there. This was 1.5 cups, and 7, at least no more than 7 strands of saffron. So I'm just going to put everything in my cup, saffron and all. Okay, and we're just going to pop the top on our blender, and we're going to blend this up. So you get your favorite Big Mama, Big Papa mug. Okay. And we're going to pour that in. Wonderful, y'all. Next, you're going to pop your straw in there, and you got your drink ready. Now, this is not going to have much of a taste. It's not sweet, okay, which is why we want it this way, because with the raisins and the saffron working together to curb your appetite, it's going to curb your appetite. So you drink this an hour before your meals, and this is what's going to do it. If you're going to these social events and you don't want to overeat, drink this an hour before you leave the house. It's not going to have you going, but it's going to help suppress your appetite so you don't eat so much. All right? So this is a wonderful way for you to lose weight, to keep your weight at bay without you going overboard and eating and eating and eating. All right? So don't forget, you guys, share these videos, like these videos, hit that like button and thumbs it up. So this way I know you want to see more wonderful aids, supplements, natural herbs that's going to do it better than these medications. These are natural herbs and things that's going to help your body, okay? So don't forget, y'all, share these videos, also like them, give these videos thumbs up, as well as subscribe if you're not a subscribed family member already. Hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bar, so this way you will never ever miss another one of these wonderful videos. And if you want to see more videos regarding skincare, hair care, family vlogs, and fashion hauls, if you're into that, go over to my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, which will be in the description bar, so you can go over there as well. Hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell over there so you will not miss another video from Velvet Locks, okay? Now, you guys, don't forget, your auntie loves you, your big sis loves you, and I will see you in the next video. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvet Locks introducing to you my new channel. And this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel, you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out. Go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell. And I will see you there.